Drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy and on.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. So this video is like a cooking video. I just want to show you how I do my tilapia roasted fish. If you're a Cameroonian, we call it poisson braisé. Like, it is a delicacy in Cameroon. It's a delicacy in Cameroon that I don't even know who doesn't love poisson braisé in Cameroon. I've not even seen anybody who doesn't love it. Like, it is spicy, not very spicy, like spicy, but it's packed with a lot of different spice and it is super delicious. Let's go right into the video. So of course I have my fish here with me. I'll be using this fish for the poisson braisé, and let me go straight ahead and show you the spices that we'll be needing. We have for these two fish, I'll be using 1 big onions, and I'm going to be using celery. This is white pepper here, white pepper. This is ginseng. Okay, this is ginseng. This is calabash nutmeg. We call it bebek in Cameroon. This is garlic, and this is ginger. Okay, and I'll also be using seasoning cube. This is my seasoning and this is my salt. This is for marinating the fish, and for doing the pepper, we're going to do the pepper separately. Okay, so I'm going to blend all of these items and we are going to marinate the fish, prepare the fish to be grilled. I'll be grilling this fish in the oven, but in Cameroon usually they do it on charcoal. Like, it has a smoky smell and it tastes super delicious. But because I don't have charcoal here, I'm going to be using oven, and let's do this guy. First thing first, you want to make sure you wash your fish. Your fish is clean, and I'm going to just put in some lines here like this. This is where I'm going to be putting in my spice because I want everything to get into the fish. So I'm just going to be doing those lines. Okay, then I'm going to do same for this other fish as well. You want to make sure you use lemon or lime to clean that fish. You don't want it to have that awkward smell. Okay. So once it's ready, I'm just going to salt it. I'm going to put in salt into the fish. The spices that I just showed you. This is blended. I'm going to add in cooking oil into the spices right here. I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil because you don't want the fish to get burned or something, or to stick. Okay, so I'm just going to mix that really quick. Guys, this spices alone is super delicious. Like, super delicious. So this is going to be my fish right here. I'm just going to use the brush and just put in the spices onto the fish like this. I'm going to open that. I want to make sure that I open the fish inside, and I put in enough of these spices, guys. Super delicious. Let's make sure you open that and you put this. Bear in mind that there's no pepper there. Okay, the pepper is going to be different. I'm going to do the pepper separately using the spices as well. I'm just going to add in the pepper into the spice. So that's it, guys. I'm going to put in the oven for 30 minutes, 15 minutes on each side, and we'll be right back. I just added in pepper into the remaining green spice in the blender. I'm going to blend it and just cook it. Alright, so this is how we're going to have the pepper. It's going to be like a side. It's going to be like a sauce on the side. So my fish is ready. I decided to remove it from the other grill and put it directly on this one. So I'm just going to plate this fish and I'm going to show you how it looks like the final product of this fish, guys. This tastes so yummy. If you haven't tried doing this kind of fish before, I think you can use any kind of fish, alright, and use these spices to marinate your fish. You can even do it overnight and keep it in the freezer. So you can even marinate it overnight and then keep it in the fridge. The next day you put it in the oven and just grill in the oven. Guys, it is super tasty. Like if you eat this fish, guys, like so yummy. The spices are everything. So I'm going to show you the final plate. This is the final product, the final plating. Look at how juicy this fish looks like, so juicy. And I'm just going to show you my pepper real quick. This is the pepper right here. I didn't show you the cooking. It's just like I blended the pepper with the remaining spices and I added in a bit of salt to taste the oil in it so it doesn't get too hot. Alright, this is what we're going to be eating our fish with. I'm just going to put it beside the fish, and of course I'm going to add in more into a small dish so that if we want more we can always take the fish, the pepper. Alright, so it depends on you. You just use the pepper to eat, and you can also add in mayonnaise if you, and you can also add in mayonnaise if you like mayonnaise. Alright, so this is our final product right here, guys. Super tasty. I'll just go right ahead and dig in this fish, guys. So I'll see you again in my next video. Let's have a great day. Bye.